Oh yeah. Can I shine camera for me?
Obi, I pull out my ear.
I should not do that because I should not do nothing on my birthday today. And you have me.
You volunteered.
You have me. Pull out steel.
Ow.
Well, my finger then cut up early to below. I have to put on tape on them for the next side.
You want to see my ear? I'm natural. Yeah, but I'm over there, you know? On the earth strong, I pull out my hair.
Yeah.
Get you a happy like mine. Cause trust me. Yeah, my ear I pull out, I can wash my hair. I'm gonna get my hair done, cause I don't know, girl have to come out. Don't know. Ow, babe.
I can't imagine look up piece.
Yeah, let's leave the fine piece.
Yeah, 5 pieces of a hair one. I hear one them. Yeah, well, Neil can push it.
Bombat. Yes, they're gonna do bad now.
Not do good. Not do good. Okay.
Yeah, people, someone just sit down and Obi, I pull out me ear.
Yeah. And your ear, oh, she bad.
I don't even know, but that's my fist him right now.
No,
that hurt me.
I say go be if you hear not it or not up. No, all when you are do it, but you not got that hot like when you are do it. Because when you feel it, you kind of ease off. Me can't feel it. You know what I mean?
The man talk all kind of things on my ear. On my ear, what?
When I done that, so now I have to go to the car wash. You know?
Go do what?
Go power wash my hand. It's soap in the house, so can't wash all them.
You saw them brightness, yeah? Stop it.
Knock me out all I got the blood clear like me have fits.
You just keep talking about ow.
The next day.
Guys, look who's back. Debbie is back.
I'm back. Definitely been here. I'm back. Definitely been
Bye. Debbie's back. Today is actually Saturday. We didn't do really too much today. I just got up, really cleaned up. What else did I do? Sorted out some stuff. Went to the store to grab some things. And yeah, so Debbie's about to make burgers. So she's getting her meat ready. You ready? Girl, back up.
Guys,
and I'm here. What? Go ahead.
I gotten better at my rollerblades. I can go fast now.
And then, guys, I'm just setting up. I have to work today.
Yeah, you have to work today.
I have to work. I gotta do my friend Cherry's makeup. We're going out tonight. Ooh, I should bring you guys with us so you guys can see how we party. And look, guys, I got a new hair color. Yep, Ginger. I call her Ginger. Her name is Ginger. Girl. So comment down below if you like Ginger. No. You know what, guys? I feel like I don't like colored hair on me when I don't have on my makeup. I feel like I look weird. Earlier, Devo told me
Mama,
that.
Don't tell them that. Do not tell them.
Tell them what you told me.
No, I'm not telling them.
Okay, well, I'll tell them then.
No. You gotta close the door.
Whatever she said was nothing nice, okay? And I was like, what? She tried it. But yeah, guys, this is my new hair color. It's only for tonight. I tell everybody because they love when I wear ginger. And when I do my makeup and stuff, everybody's like, oh, I love that hair color. I love. I told them, I said, listen, ginger is a one-night stand, okay? Ginger only comes on in the night and she comes off the next day. I'm not walking around with no bright hair like that. I'm just not a bright hair type of person. But don't get me wrong, when I put the look together, the makeup and the outfit and everything, it looks so nice. I'll show you guys later because I'm going out tonight. Tonight is Jungle George, Stars Amongst Stars, birthday of Bash. So we're gonna go support and show love. Oh, and hubby is booked. RASHKAMAR Entertainment is booked for that party tonight. So we will be there. Oh, that's RASHKAMAR Entertainment's card, business card, and that's my business card. Face beater. So yeah, That's basically what we're gonna do. So right now, I'm just, look at Yuri.
Playing basketball.
In my house.
It's indoor, Mama.
And you gonna be out the door.
Why? It's indoor basketball. I haven't played basketball in a long time because I've been busy with my skates. So I'm not really popping off today.
So yeah, guys. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. Just getting everything situated. Devo's cooking. Yuri's playing basketball. And really that's about it. I got a client coming. Like I said, my friend, she's coming to get her makeup done. And yeah, so you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna take you guys with me so you guys can just see, you know, what we do on the weekends. Me and hubby, we be going out and stuff, you know, when he gets bookings and stuff. So I'll take you guys with me.
No, I don't. I be working.
So you guys just stay tuned. I'll show you guys my outfit, the whole ensemble, and yeah. And then I'll take, actually, you know what? I'm gonna bring you guys with me to the party too. How about that? That's a nice little treat for y'all. I'm gonna bring y'all to the party with me so you guys can just see the Houston dancehall scene and, you know, how we party and stuff like that. I'll bring you guys with me. So you guys just stay tuned.
Ooh, I almost dropped that whole bowl of meat.
Put it further on the counter so you
Really?
Yes, bro. Cause I'm trying to break it up because it's kind of still frozen. The bottom of it is frozen. So I'm trying to break it up so it can tie out because I can't run water on it. So, I'm gonna do that.
Alright, so Chef Boyard Devo is in the building. You already met Chef Boyard Rash and Chef Boyard Nique. Now this is Chef Boyard Devo in the building, okay? Stop playing with my baby. She can cook, you guys. Yes, she knows how to cook. And yeah. So just stay tuned.
It's like a lot of meat.
I told you. I told you. So I was like, I want to put more meat in there. Okay.
I might make extra burgers just in case if I get hungry again.
What?
So Yuri playing basketball in my house, bro. So Debbie not feeling too good today. You know, it's around that time. So yeah, guys, we're just gonna be here, just doing what I gotta do, getting ready for later on tonight. We finna turn up later. Yes. And yeah, that's about it. Hubby's in the room taking a little nap because he has to work tonight. So he's taking a little nap, getting rest up so he can work later, okay? Come on, video all of this, you know. You want to video all of this, so you don't know. But yeah, you guys just stay tuned, all right? All right, guys. So I just finished working. I just did my last client. I forgot to get a clipping of her makeup to show you guys, but I'll insert some pictures so you guys can see my work. Guys, go follow Face Beat by Nique on Facebook and Instagram. And yeah, so right now I'm done working, so I'm about to get something to eat real quick. It's about what, 11 o'clock. It's about 11 o'clock at night. I just finished working. I'm about to get something to eat real quick, and then I'm gonna jump in the shower, beat my face, and get dressed, and then it's time to party, okay? It's time to, you know. Yeah, guys, so stay tuned, all right? Hey, guys. I'm back. I'm ready to go out. All right, I'm about to go. Hubby already left because he's booked for the party tonight to do the video. My friend Cherry, she's getting dressed now, so I'm about to go get dressed. I wanted to just come on camera real quick so I can show you guys my hair and makeup. And yeah, this is it, guys. Ginger, can I pause this? Yeah, so I'm good. I'm about to go put on my clothes because it's what time right now? It's almost 2:30 in the morning. So I'm gonna go put my clothes on. I'm gonna get dressed, and I'll show you guys the finished look once I get dressed and everything. All right, guys, this is the look. My outfit, shoes, my belt, jumpsuit, Ginger. I'm getting ready to head out. My friend Cherry is here, so I'm getting ready to leave now. I'm gonna bring you guys with me, and yeah, stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. We're going to the party, y'all. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Last thing before we got my bed. So first thing in the morning. Okay guys, we made it to the party. Don't forget to check the video out on RASHKAMAR Entertainment.
I'm a love the woman there, but I'm afraid for God and for me, but I'm afraid for apologize me, a big man. As a celebration, as a celebration. Raise up a front and look good.
That is, it's just beaming.
And some people are going like, some people are going like, they don't believe in a God. And look on that. Yeah. Who writes that? Right. A man?
Hey guys,
30% off when
it's Nique here. We just left the party.
Hello, good morning, good morning. I look for the beat. I'm gonna listen to the box, but we can't find it. Cause somebody, we take off the thing there. The battery I find, that's why I can't find it back. We still find it back, man. At the back. At the beat me do. I'm not deal with the box. Yeah. And if I ever tell you why I'm not listen to the box, you're gonna laugh. But I'm not telling you.
Yeah, so we just leave the party. And we're head home now. Tired, bad. Guys, look how me glowing at the sun.
Yo.
Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is so beautiful.
Damn, right, you know? In our shine. In our shine, we're bright.
Guys, look. I can't wait till we get closer. Ooh, it's so blinding. Ooh, look at that. Wow. I've never seen it like that before.
Yeah, true.
Seriously.
Oh, so I saw the east then, because you know the sun rise from the east, so okay. So, you know, from me I used when I first knew by the east. I first know, but I used to know how much years? Maybe?
9.
9 years. That's I first knew by the east there.
Or 8.
I don't know something about I never really know by the east.
Oh, this man, look by man. Go fast and go behind the people.
I walk on me in the morning. Yo, Bellevue. Yeah.
Let's get just up closer.
Yeah, but I don't have a skin. I'm skin at the sun and the wind. Easy, girl.
Yes. The sun-kissed glow.
You put on your seatbelt.
I never have on it.
You see that people? Anything do that, you know? Anything? Alright.
I am so
anything? Do that, yeah, I mean? Yeah.
Why are you talking on my business?
Anything? Alright. You know why? Because I know everybody, I know every state legalize it. I know every country legalize it. So, you know what I mean? When it's a certain thing, they get blocked.
Oh, yeah.
I know everybody do that. can't say NSC though. Mr. NSC or Mrs. NSC. Run the money.
What's wrong with this car?
Run the money. Cause me I promote the thing. You know what I mean? I be NSC where we buy and be NSC where I drink.
Nah, let me kinda I was like look at Eddie.
We have to think there by hand, baby.
BC Boda. Nasty old thing.
Yeah. My head not hurt, because champagne is so much up my head and then I start with the what I'm calling NSC.
But yeah, I had fun. Drunk a judge, go drunk a judge, say me what's up? Yeah, name happy face, you know.
Happy face. I think call you early enough for real in a real life, you know. That's about.
I mean, me call so.
Are you a call so too?
Yeah, I mean, call so I don't know about you. I call you early so.
Are you real? Because
maybe I mix it up.
No. You see, you remember when we just moved here, and George he come drop me off and he want to use the bathroom and he see baby, and he must say happy face, and you're less and no teeth upon. Yeah, so that's why I call him happy face. Happy face, madam, man. You know, say happy face.
No, it's happy face. Used to call me.
Used to? Okay.
How you gonna tell me?
Yeah, where's the jungle judge? Make sure you have a camera. Cause we ask him who is happy face.
So when I ask him.
Alright.
Are we all trying to say me a lie?
No, I'm not saying that best.
Yeah, that's exactly what you say.
No, man, I'm just trying to prove something. Yeah, people. That's what I think said. Yeah, I mean, it's not every week my book, but my book, I just saw it go. We just go enjoy ourselves, same way too.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I enjoy myself.
Yeah, when the party, have vibes, like, yeah.
Come out and I had first, we'll go out since we recover.
Yeah,
but
for real.
Yeah, the first way I go out, so.
Anyway, big up yourself, Jungle George and Kadeen.
Kadeen, big up on yourself.
Yeah.
Jungle George, big up yourself. Party nice, we enjoy ourselves. And yeah, big bless up on yourself. Yeah, people, but we are heading home. When I tell you I have a banging headache and I am so tired, it's not even funny. I woke up at what time I woke up?
No, I wake up before you.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I said my mega barber. So I wake up around 7 o'clock. Exactly.
Oh.
Yeah. I go to barber at 9 o'clock.
Hold on, wait, hold on. Yet. Think about it more, yeah. So yeah, I'm so tired. So I'll be up for 24 hours. I'm up for 24 hours now.
Up for 24 hours?
Yeah.
You never wake up 7:20, baby. If you wake up
politically correct.
But if you wake up 7:20, you know, say at 24 hours, you never wake up 7:20. Hold on there. You wake up before I go to barber, right? I mean, 9 o'clock was up on at 8:30 minutes left. You just wake up in time there. So on the 24 hour yet. Maybe we can't go in, that's on the 24.
I have a headache. My head is pounding. I think it's this bright ass sun. Jesus, look guys. Look at that. Oh my god. We are home. Sweet. I had a good night. So I had a good night. I hope you guys had a good night.
And happy and good morning too. Come on, you know. I said something. So no good night alone, a good morning.
But yeah guys, so yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Guys, thanks for coming along with me on a night out.
Yeah, me have to tell you now. Go watch the video if you don't like it and subscribe.
That's right. And don't forget to check out RASHKAMAR Entertainment here on YouTube as well. And FaceBeast by Nique. And our Instagram and social media links will be down below in the description bar. So don't forget to check that out also. Alright guys, I guess that's it. We're gonna just close out the video. We are home safe and sound. And yeah,
Yeah.
I'm about to get some rest. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Oh, yeah, cool, baby. Oxtail, I'm not oxtail.
You don't eat meat?
Alright, I'm going to tell you, because I know you love meat. So I'm going to tell you.
I love you tell for me.
You're. A salad, you know, baby.
I know.
Want 2 white salad from down my place. The salad bad, you know. More one for just easy. And one next one for my dinner.
You hear these people craving?
But I crave, but I just want the right thing.
Yeah, so I guess that's it for this video, guys.
You want to reach home now, you know? Get him a walk, man. Get him a walk.
Get him a walk with us? Alright.
Yeah, just get him a walk.
See how much we love y'all? We're gonna give y'all a walk with us. I gotta gather my things. I got so much stuff. Jeez. I'm trying to get up.
Have your shoes, baby?
Yeah. Woo.
Give me. I know say we left your shoes at dance now.
Now, why would I do that?
Can I do it already?
Ooh, y'all, I feel sick.
You feel fit?
Sick.
Oh, sick.
Like, you know, sick.
No, but you don't know if you can manage the kind of baby and you can drink.
You know how long I'm gonna drink?
Alright. You know how long I'm gonna drink it too? I'm kind of tipsy right now, but I'm not drunk, but I'm tipsy. You understand? But you're drunk. You're tipsy and drunk. And sick in a one. I show you a rock 2 sides. I tell you booty. Booty. Booty.
Have a seat. Yeah, guys. We are home. I'm so tired. Super tired.
So I want my man.
Sleep.
Sleep alone?
Yes.
After, you mean?
And then later, something can go
No, I
on.
can't wait for later.
Ooh, you're gonna wait till later.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes, you are.
I got Bex now.
Okay. Bex if you want, Bex.
I got Bex now.
Bex if you want, Bex.
All the dirty shoes then.
Me not want no dirty shoes. My shoes not dirty. Bright. Bright and pasty. You see? You can't just go have a good night and
Good
it
night.
end night, you know. Good morning.
Good morning.
It smells so good in here. I'm home, guys. I'm home. Yep, we're home. So we're gonna end this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
I remember.
Turn on your post notifications.
Go look for RASHKAMAR Entertainment in a search
that?
bar. You understand? Go look for where you go? Face Beat
by Nique.
by Nique in the search bar. You understand me? I say, yeah.
Yep.
I sleep, I go sleep now.
And guys, also before you go, don't forget to click that bell and turn on your post notifications so that every time we upload a video here on Life with Nique, you guys get notified. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you.